Very, very busy Champs-Élysées. It's not far from the Eiffel Tower. As you can see, there's a lot of activities, traffic jams, you name it. And these are the ship which are conveying people, carrying people, tourists. As you can see, the Eiffel Tower is it's loaded, it's packed. When you look at the top there's a lot of people, and then you got this other religious facility here in front of me. I don't know what this is. Let's go back to our ships. That's the Brazil embassy over there. And then there's a ship which is coming up. Check it out. Here we go. Coming up. Wow. This is actually the activities all on a river, Seine river. As you can see, the ship is coming up. Jeanne Moreau. Jeanne Moreau. Ouais, voilà. Jeanne Moreau. Going under the bridge. There we go.